Hello, friends! Welcome to our learning world! Yay!
I love learning!
Me too!
Today we will learn numbers, colors, and good habits!
Wow!
Let's start! This is number 1.
1 apple!
Just 1! Let's count 2.
1, 2.
2 balloons.
Count with me. 1, 2, 3. Wow! This color is red.
Red like a tomato.
Red is bright.
Blue like the sky.
Blue ball!
So nice! Yellow like the sun. So warm.
Yellow is happy.
This shape is circle.
Round and round. Circle.
4 sides make a square.
1, 2, 3, 4. Square shape.
3 sides make a triangle.
I can count. Triangle.
Cow says moo. Moo.
Funny.
Bird says tweet, tweet.
Tweet, tweet. So sweet.
Fruits are healthy!
I like apples.
I like bananas.
Drink water daily.
Sip, sip!
Good habit. Wash hands before eating.
Soap and water.
Clean hands.
Brush teeth every day. Brush, brush.
Shiny teeth. Sharing is caring. You can take it.
Thank you.
Helping is good.
I will help.
So kind. Today is sunny.
Bright day!
I like sun. It is rainy.
Pitter patter.
Rain, rain!
Fast and slow.
I am fast!
I am slow. Big and small. Big box. Small box.
Up and down.
Up. Down.
This is happy. I feel happy.
Me too.
This is sad.
Oh no.
It's okay. Say please and thank you.
Please. Thank you. What did we learn?
Numbers and colors. Good habits.
See you next time. Bye-bye.